Here is a demonstration on how you can @mention users in Microsoft Teams with the Centro application. In this example, I'm working off a contact record. If I clone this record, I have a Salesforce flow firing on the creation of a contact, and it's going to post to a channel. It's going to post and link that record to the channel and @mention the user that created it. So if we take a look in Microsoft Teams in my contacts channel, you can see here that it @mentioned me. To configure this, I go ahead and navigate to Salesforce Flow, and this is a record triggered flow, as I mentioned, on the creation of a contact. It can work on any object, custom or standard. In my variables, I am pulling in the team ID that is stored on the Salesforce user when that Salesforce user authenticates to Microsoft Teams. I am setting that as a text variable called var user team ID. Additionally, I have a Salesforce formula that is concatenating my first and last name of the owner. In the Centro send notification message to Microsoft Teams, you can see here that I've selected the team, which is customers, and the channel, which is contact channels. In that message that gets posted with the Centro record block, I have formatted this text that will allow me to @mention when using Microsoft Teams. It is the team ID of the user and then that formula. It's sort of hard to see, but that is a pipe in between those two pieces. Also notice that there are no spaces in between any of this syntax. Additionally, I have set this to post the record block, link the record block to the channel, and link the thread. This allows me to now have my Centro record block here with the @mentioned. That's how you @mention using Microsoft Teams and Centro with Salesforce. Please reach out with any questions.